Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body Benz. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably do it again.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have Panda Express and we're going to tell you what we have. But before we do, you know the drill. Check out my outfit of the day.
Show them, girl.
Chocolate milk. I like 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 chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
Oh.
We're back.
Oh, I forgot. That's his line. Okay, guys, we are back and we are going to chow down on some flying panda. What's a flying panda?
Panda Express.
There's a flying panda in our area. Whatever. Some Panda Express. And we have lo mein fried rice. And I have teriyaki chicken. And we're going to share some of the shrimp. The walnut shrimp.
Yeah.
What do you have, honey?
Orange chicken, yummy, rice, and the same thing. And
Same
the orange,
thing.
and the orange, what do you call it? The
Okay,
shrimp thing.
we're gonna move this out the way so you guys can see better. What you
Oh.
deal?
What that man?
So we're gonna dig in, and guys, as you know, we don't have a how to make it because we didn't make it. This is Fast Food Friday.
You know, Fast Food Friday.
Fast Food Friday.
Glad we don't gotta cook today, huh?
Mhm.
Take a break. Way too hot outside. Too spicy.
Two times spicy.
Don't put too much today.
They come like say we're addicted to this.
I know. Don't put too much today, okay?
It tore me up yesterday. I tell you.
Don't put too much. Here and take pressure. What?
It tastes good on everything.
It does. And where's the other one there when you get a chance? The,
Oh,
the express thing.
and we have the Panda Express sweet chili sauce.
Yeah, man.
That's a shrimp.
You try it out. I know that one gonna be sweet.
That's my first time having this.
Yeah. Me too.
There goes the hiccups.
So we gotta drink something. You want some on your rice or no? So I'm just a sauce person, huh?
Not yet.
So you know what?
I am gonna eat some though.
Gotta have a strawberry. So that doesn't cut off the soda, but you know? It's alright. Oh, nice.
That's good.
Hear that?
ASMR.
You like that? Do my research. Alright. Took a couple minutes out of my time to do that. No?
I just have some teriyaki sauce that goes on the chicken.
Oh, that one's 2 minutes.
Yes, I wish they had give me some more. I should ask for some more. I forgot.
Alright, sorry guys.
Cause you know, you gotta order online or order in person, and then you forget certain things. When you're in the store, you can say, "Oh, let me get some teriyaki sauce extra."
That's true. Like a ghost town, huh?
Yep. That's good.
I could take the chicken first, lady.
No.
Remember you said what's yours is mine and mine is yours?
No, what's yours is mine, what's mine is mine.
Remember? Okay.
How's your food?
You know, it's always it's good. I ain't gonna lie.
It's good.
I
I like it's crunchy.
Crunchy. That's what I like about it. Panda.
Panda.
Panda. I like about it, man.
So the song goes.
So family, If you got this in your area, I don't know what part of the world you're from, but where's the birthday? Try it.
Yep.
Cabbage nice, you know?
Let me get some of that 2 times spicy.
You start asking?
Taste with my chicken.
You do it for the gang?
I ain't doing that much today.
Mash it up yesterday, man.
Mash me up, man. No, I'll put some on the side.
Yeah, dip it.
Yeah, I could dip it.
I'll bring you water, right?
Pretty good. That sauce, it may look like it's not spicy. It's spicy.
That sauce be hitting.
Well, and you don't even need a lot.
You don't.
Nope.
So how was your day?
It was good. Until you pissed me off.
Cause you never want me spray with the lifestyle before you come in the house.
Whatever.
I gotta spray before you come in the house, you know? Watch.
I go right in the shower when I come in the house. I walk in here and come spray me.
I just spray our family, I gotta get it right, you know? No corona around here. Only first day, no corona.
No corona.
Corona season out. Cabbage is nice too.
And your lo mein. Ooh.
I got a nice video for you for the family to make.
Ooh. Spicy.
Your own thing like this.
Oh yeah.
From scratch.
From scratch. I made it before. That was a long time ago. A long video.
Banging too.
It was good. They love my fried rice.
I love it. Fries be hitting.
Wow.
Gotta do it for the gang, man.
That's a lot, honey.
Good.
What's the difference between this one and the black one? Cause we have a black bottle too.
For real.
Is it still chicken?
Oh.
Or is it just hot sauce, not chicken flavored hot sauce?
Probably we gotta look at it because we haven't tried it yet. Or you like using acorn. What's that, acorn?
Walnut.
Sweet.
You tried it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't really like nuts.
Yeah. Stop looking at me. Eat my food.
So what are you guys eating today for Fast Food Friday?
Don't be afraid to put in the comments. Let's talk.
Yeah.
That's it.
And act like I'm Freddy.
Hear what y'all guys say. Put something in the comments, you know? Know what I'm saying?
Walnut.
Well, no, yeah.
I like it.
You know?
You know what it tastes like? Drops.
Yeah.
It reminds me of drops. It has that caramel, brown sugar going on.
I mean, I like the video. Put something in the comments, let us know. You know what I'm saying? Give us a
You know what I'm
thumbs up,
saying?
share, subscribe, you know? Do what's there. Sweet, man.
I didn't realize that these shrimps are gonna be that good.
Oh, see, every time. Every time I go in here, I'll always be watching it. You know what? I'm gonna try it.
Yeah.
And why not there two items? I left a bird. I'm a bird first lady.
And the good thing is that you can actually taste the shrimp. It's not a whole bunch of flour.
Good. Crunchy. Back to the real tomorrow, huh?
Back to work you go.
It was a good week though.
It was a good week.
Yeah.
It was a really, really good week.
Accomplished a lot.
It was a good week.
Excellent week. Enjoy it.
I hope you guys liked my outfit of the day. I didn't even say that. Better? For real.
You showing them already? Oh. Well, what I was doing? Eating?
Yep. You always eating. But that's not bad though.
Well.
Cause you don't gain weight. But now, you think you'll ever get a belly?
Nope. You think I'll get one?
I don't think so. You're like Speedy Gonzalez. You're very. He moves very fast.
I move very fast?
You do.
Frigidity, huh?
That was a big piece of cabbage.
Yeah, crunchy.
So what I'm doing is, I'm dipping the sauce in a 2-time spicy. I have to dip it
Yeah, that's still here. There's 2 times that sauce.
right here.
Oh gosh, I forgot. I love shrimp too, but I'll let you get a taste. I eat the rest now.
How was it?
I moved back too fast, they couldn't get it.
This week went by slow to you? Or
I
fast?
don't like Fridays. Friday is bad dude.
90% of the world love Fridays.
I know. Look at me. But it's all good.
Because he goes to work the next day.
Somebody gotta do it. Somebody gotta do it, right?
Yep. Better you than me.
I'll do it. You know that. Chicken sweet.
I was watching. I was reading some comments on my on YouTube that I like to watch. Other YouTubers I like to watch. And I want to tell everybody out there. And I think I said this before. If there's something that you want to do, get up and do it.
Exactly.
Don't wait for somebody to give you permission. When I say give you permission, meaning like, say, yeah, that's a good idea. You don't need them to tell you it's a good idea. If you think it's a good idea, do it.
Yeah.
Because those same people who are telling you, oh no,
Yeah.
I don't think you should do it.
That.
Or people are going to laugh at you. Or the same ones who wish that they can do it.
Yep.
Right?
Yep. They wish they could do it.
Or the same ones that when you start a business, you start a YouTube channel, you invent something, you create something, and you get bigger, but they're the same ones who are going to say, oh, I knew you can do it all along.
Yep.
Oh, can you help me?
Yeah.
And I don't like that.
Yep. But when you would do it, they were, oh no, that ain't gonna work out.
That ain't going to work out. And
don't be afraid to fail.
yep, you have to fail sometimes. I failed several times.
A lot. And you bounce right back up.
Bounce right back up and go to the next step.
Yep. True fact.
And you have to do what you want to do.
What you want to do. And be different and different too.
Yeah. No matter what it is. My neck hurting me now. Just be yourself and do what makes you happy.
True. True.
And if you're going to do something, sometimes you don't have to tell everybody you're going to do it. Just do it.
Just do it.
Because you tell somebody, oh, I'm thinking about, making my own shoe. They're going to be like, make your own shoe? You don't have no money. How you going to do that? The same way how other companies started off, they didn't know anything about a shoe.
Exactly.
Or makeup. Or facial. And they researched and they figured it out. They tried it for themselves. You know what I mean? Businesses out there that start from the ground up.
Yep.
Or start in somebody's kitchen.
Yep.
Or somebody's basement.
And then blow up.
And then they blow up. And what if those people listened to the naysayers? Come on.
Try it. You fail? Try it. You fail, try again.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
That's one thing I can say. about my husband, what I come to him with, he always encourages me. All right. I said I want to do a YouTube channel. He was like, all right. Then I came to him and was like, I feel lonely by myself. And he didn't say, well, all right, so then don't do it anymore. He said, all right, I'll come and eat with you. You know?
And here I am, stuffing my face. I love every bit of it. Teamwork make what? The dream work. You know, be a dream.
Make sure so you're not, you know, so you're not get paid, right?
It's alright, I get paid. Mine is yours. As long as I swipe my card, I don't say decline. I'm
don't
good.
say decline, right?
Yeah.
For real. That's embarrassing. What happened with Tamia? Tell the story, honey.
Your daughter's something else. My daughter, she's something else. She always want to buy stuff, but never have no money.
Never.
So I went to the store one time. Girl, picking up. I said, Mama, I don't have any money. I ain't bring any money.
He always says that, but he always has money.
So I said, why was all them 3 cards I see with all the money on it? I have it, but she never want to use her own money. It's okay, alright. So when you go to the store, girl, you can check if you have money. She went to the cash register.
How much was her order? I mean, how much was her total?
Probably like about $10 or $15.
Okay.
Yeah.
And she swiped her card.
Swipe her card. 0 decline.
It was a gift card?
It was a gift card. It declined. She looked at me like this. Oh, Daddy, I'm embarrassed. I said, you see, you embarrassed? Yeah. I told you, bring I
want to choke on the juice.
I didn't know I didn't have no money on my card. Yeah, because you wanted me to use my money. All right. I said, see how it is? She said, oh my, she didn't stop talking about it. She said, oh my gosh, I was so embarrassed, man. I said, that's what happened.
Can't go to the store, don't have no money.
Can't go to the store, don't have no money.
She'd be like, Mommy, I want to buy something for my friend for her birthday.
Use your money. For you. You should take it off.
I'm like, use your own money. When I say use your own money, guess what? The gift for the person is $5.
Exactly.
When I say, okay, I'll buy it, the gift for the person is $30. I said, wait. This ain't gonna work. It's not gonna work.
Yep. My little girl, something else.
Something else. This was good.
It was. Yep. That was a good speech you gave. Don't be afraid.
You don't.
To try.
Don't be afraid to try.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't be afraid. And if you
Remember,
don't have... Go ahead, baby.
Sorry.
It's okay, my love.
It won't happen overnight.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? Put in the work.
And it'll get
and
there.
It'll get there. You know what I'm saying? Trust me. It's like if a woman growing their hair or a guy getting dreads. Simple scenario. Start from the ugly stage, right? That's where you gotta start from.
The ugly stage. You gotta grind.
Gotta grind. You know? Gotta grind. What?
And then, when you grind, the best thing... Sometimes I just sit in the house and I just look at my house, look at my family, look at what I have, and I just remember where I'm coming from. I didn't wake up and have certain things. I worked my butt off. My husband worked his butt off. My kids worked their butt off by getting good grades. You know what I mean? Everybody worked their butt off, and you can sit back and say, wow, I did it. When it comes too easy, you don't appreciate it that much.
That's true. Gotta work. Put in that work. Pays off in the long run. I promise you that.
I thought I was chicken, and I was gonna say, why would you chicken?
Can't yum them, man.
No, sir. It's too tough for my teeth.
Them money for the bird, them.
My teeth, them already tricky already.
Yep. One day at a time.
I did not think I was gonna eat all that food.
You did.
But the meat, I like when it's chopped. It's very good, but I like when it's chopped up more small. I don't like when it's so big. And you're like, oh, cut it yourself. I don't feel like it.
Cut your damn self, Mario.
Cut your damn self.
I don't care about cutting one thing. Yeah. You know, I'm better.
The shrimp is so good.
It is good. Okay, my shrimp.
Oh, I'm full now.
You're full now?
Yeah. I'm going to the last shrimp. Drink some water.
You know what today is Friday. You know what happened tomorrow the next day. So you know. Whatever can go, you know it's going. Well, mine is done. How many you got?
We still have some food left. Not a lot. Enough. It's a good size. So my husband's going to take it to work tomorrow.
Can't chop my business again. Tell people I'm damn leftover. That's the best food.
That's recording, honey? Yeah, it's recording. I don't have my glasses on. I'm like, duh. You can see that.
It's recording. Stop.
I don't have my contacts on. I feel like recording today.
It's recording.
Okay. Come to you.
Food nice, man.
Ooh.
When the food nice, you sit down and enjoy it.
The shrimp was good.
Shrimp was good. Please.
Can you play it tomorrow?
Don't tell me say that. Last time I tell you something, you gotta tell everybody what me say now.
I did not.
Okay. Yes. I enjoyed
Yes.
it. Enjoy it?
It was really good. I enjoyed it. I'm glad I got the show. My sister told me about it.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it. Because, you know, Fear Ideas was different than mine, but last time she said something was so good, I went and tried it. I said, what the hell is this? This is nasty.
The place flat dog now.
Lockdown closed on.
All right, family.
Good.
We came back with the next video for y'all again, you know.
Guys.
Make sure you talk to us in the comments, man.
Yes, we want to talk to you guys.
Whatever, if you don't like it, let us know. But we still gonna do it. Like it or not. But talk to us.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and share this with everyone. Come on, guys. We want to get that video out there. We appreciate you watching, but we also want you to share it so everyone can enjoy us too. Don't just keep us all to yourself.
True.
All right, guys. I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time. Bye.
She remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins?